recipe is a super simple dump and bake meatball pasta recipe that's going to be a favorite. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki. I'm cooking on the farm on Route 66, and I am so excited to be bringing you a very quick and tasty dump and bake dinner. It's a pasta meatball dish, and it's going to be yummy. Let's make it together. All you need for tonight's dinner is some pasta. You're gonna use 16 ounces of pasta. I have the macaroni salad pasta tonight because that's what I had in my cupboard. You could go a little bit bigger, but you don't want like lasagna noodles. I am going to use some frozen pre-cooked meatballs, some cheese of your choice, and I chose the Italian style 6 cheese blend. I love this cheese. 24 ounces of spaghetti sauce and 3 cups of water. You guys, this is so simple. It goes together in a snap and it's going to be delicious. Before I throw it together, I need to turn on the oven to 425 degrees. The oven is where all the magic happens, and we need that high of heat to cook the noodles. I am going to put this macaroni noodles in my dish. This is a 9 by 13 pan, uncooked. I'm not even going to take time on the stove to cook it, and I am just going to dump it all in just like that. I always make a mess. Then I am going to add my 24 ounces of spaghetti sauce. Now you can use any spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce that you like. I actually really like the Hunt's brand, the 4 cheese. You guys, this can is pretty inexpensive, and I keep them on my food storage because I love them. So I'm gonna dump that right in. Three cups of water. I'm going to give that a quick little stir just to mix that all in and make sure all the noodles are covered. And then I'm going to take some meatballs and place them right on top. You can use as many meatballs as you want. We're just going to put them right on top, just like that. Okay, just a couple of more meatballs here, just like that. Everyone, I am going to cover this with aluminum foil. I want to make sure that there's a tight seal so the moisture stays in with this pasta and it cooks. I'm going to put this in my oven that is preheated to 425 degrees. And when we pull it out, we'll add some cheese to the top, and it will be so delicious, I promise. While we wait for it to cook, guess where we're going? Let's head out to the farm. We actually have an infestation on the farm, and it's kind of sad. Let's go see. We're gonna cook it for 35 minutes, and then we'll test it and see if the pasta is tender. Now, if I want to, and if I'm inside, I could stir that pasta in the middle, like after it's cooked for about 20 minutes, but I may be outside on the farm, so I'll probably just let it cook tonight. It is a beautiful night on the farm. Alan is headed down to do chores, but we really honestly have an infestation on the farm. It's kind of sad right now and taking a lot of my husband's time. If you go watch the live that he did earlier, this week, you'll actually see what I'm talking about, but we have several horses that have ringworm, and we have been doctoring, trying to get rid of it, and it's starting to go away, but it's been a challenge. They are loving my tall sunflowers over there. Those clouds, you guys, it's so pretty. I bet you anything they all start on the move to the barn because they know Alan's going down there to throw some hay. We'll see. See, they're all headed to the barn. Every one of them. Who's over in the sunflower patch? I think that's Peppy. And she doesn't know they've gone. And Peppy even showed up. It feels so good outside right now. It's actually fall, and in Arizona it still doesn't quite feel like fall. It's pretty warm out here still, even this evening, but it feels nice. I'm super excited about this weekend, this coming week. It's homecoming week in our high school, and we have a tradition that we have started, how many years ago? 23 years ago. This will be our 23rd year of doing this. We have the entire high school over after the football game, and we serve them like dessert waffles with yummy syrup and strawberries and Nutella and peanut butter, and then they just play yard games and jam out to music and have a fun night on the farm. So I'll show you that on our next video, so stay tuned because you don't want to miss homecoming night on the farm on Route 66. You guys, let's go back in just a minute and check to see how our pasta meatball dump and bake dinner is going. Seriously, how simple is that? Comment below if you guys are liking my dump and bake recipes, and let me know if you have one that you really like. I would love to share it. Look who just showed up.
Hey.
Tell everyone hi.
Hey guys.
So how's volleyball going?
I'm going good.
She has a big game tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're gonna head to Mayer, Arizona. If anyone lives near Mayer, Arizona, come to the gym tomorrow night at 6 o'clock and watch Casey play ball.
Yeah.
I was just out videoing Dad and enjoying the beautiful night. Ambre and Luna are doing amazing. Hey babe, good.
Just doing chores.
Such a beautiful night.
It is beautiful.
You know what happened to Ivory the other day, you guys? You will not believe what happened to Ivory. If you have watched The Farm on Route 66, comment below and tell us what happened to Ivory. But if you haven't, go check out our video and see what happened to that silly cow. She is lucky. I'll just say that. Sounds like there's some kids playing in the neighborhood. Such a beautiful night. Everyone, thanks for going out on the farm with me tonight. This is done, when I checked it at 35 minutes, there was a little bit more liquid than I wanted to see. So I actually uncovered it and let some of that liquid evaporate. And I think it's about perfect now. I'm gonna add cheese and mix it up. And we're gonna have a delicious dinner that was seriously so simple to make. But comment below, did you guys enjoy being out on the farm tonight? It was a beautiful night. I can't believe it's fall because it feels still so warm, but it was beautiful. So like I said, I am using some Italian style 6 cheese blend. Use what you like, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top. Probably about 2 cups, but I never measure. I'm gonna grab a spoon and I'm just gonna fold that in just like that. I like the cheese to get down into that sauce mixture. And I'm gonna put this back in the oven for about 5 minutes, let that cheese totally melt, and we're gonna enjoy a delicious dinner. Look at this. It looks so delicious and it smells delicious. This meatball pasta dump and bake recipe was seriously so simple, and we're gonna enjoy it for dinner tonight with a little broccoli on the side. It honestly smells so good. Look at that. Delicious. Thanks for coming along and going out on the farm with me. You guys give this recipe a try, and like I said, tell me in the comments if you guys have a favorite dump and bake recipe. They're turning into my favorite because they're so simple.